With Esri Redistricting Online, you can create and manage groups, accept group invitations, and optionally share your plan with different groups to which you belong. In this demonstration, let's first create a group. Click the Share ribbon. On the Share ribbon, click Manage Groups. On the Manage Groups dialog box, click Create Group. On the Create Group dialog box, enter a name and description for the group and click Create. On the Manage Groups dialog box, click to highlight the group you just created. Next, let's look for users to invite to our group. Click Manage Users. On the Manage Group Users dialog box, you can search for users within the organization and invite them to join the group, cancel outstanding invitations, or remove a user from the group. Let's look for a user to join the group. Enter a partial name or full name in the search box below. Highlight the user you want to invite and click Send Invitation. The Invite User dialog box appears. This confirms the invitation. Click OK. Repeat the process for as many users as you want to invite. You can cancel invitations that you have sent. Highlight the user from the outstanding invitations and click Cancel Invitation. A Cancel Invitation dialog box appears. This allows you to confirm the cancellation. Click OK. Once you have completed your invitations, click Close. On the Manage Groups dialog box, click Close. Now that we've created a new group, let's share the plan with the new group. First, we have to make sure that the current plan is saved. Click the File ribbon. On the File ribbon, click Save. Let's return to the Share tab and share the plan with the new group. Click the Share ribbon. On the Share ribbon, click Share Plan. On the Share dialog box, select who you would like to share the plan with. In this case, check the box Members of these groups. Also check the box for the corresponding group we just created. In this example, I'll leave the access level as Read Only. Read Only allows other users to view my plan. I could also grant Read-Write access, which allows other users to read and modify the plans that I have shared. Once you have set your sharing parameters, click Update. A confirmation message appears to let you know that your sharing settings have been saved. Click OK. On the Share dialog box, click Close. Now that the plan is shared, you can view shared plans in the Open Plan dialog box. Click the File ribbon. On the File ribbon, click Open. On the Open Plan dialog box, click Shared Plans. A folder name corresponds to the new group. Click the folder to view plans that have been shared to this group. In the Group folder, you can see the plan that we have shared to the group. In this demonstration, you learned how to create a new group, invite other users to your group, and share your current redistricting plan.